Hey guys, on today's episode we're going to make peach cobbler. You can use fresh or frozen peaches. If you do fresh, here's how to cut them. Now here, the easiest way to cut it is just slice it in half and then slice little quarters. And you can easily take the pit out. Now we're going to need 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then 6 ripe peaches. We're going to heat our peaches until the sugar's dissolved and our peaches start to release their juices. Okay, now for our cobbler, we're going to get 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 3/4 of a cup of whole milk. Now, as far as the cinnamon goes, I love cinnamon, so I put it in the cobbler part. If you don't want the cobbler to be dark, then omit that and just sprinkle your peaches with the cinnamon. Now we're just going to spray a 9x13 casserole dish, and then we're going to pour our batter in first. Remember, if you don't want it dark, add your cinnamon to the fruit. And then I'm just going to layer the fruit on top of the batter, juice and all. Now we're going to bake at 350 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. Guys, this is so delicious. You have to try it. Serve it with your favorite ice cream, whipped cream, or just eat it as it is. Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see y'all next week.